Welcome to the assembly guide for the Nativity Sphere Scene project, available on my profile, on the Creality Cloud website. What you'll need: super glue, PVC pipe 100 by 91 mm length, RGB LED strip 5 volts x 5000 mm length. Nativity Scene Sphere project. The link to purchase the LED strip is in the video description. Material preparation. 1. Cut the strip to 2400 mm in length. 2. Insert all plate items inside the scenes of the sphere. If necessary, glue them together. 3. Remove the adhesive tape and stick the LED strip onto the holder. 4. Assemble the LED strip holder and insert it into the PVC pipe. 5. Invite the LED strip support onto the base. 6. Insert the USB cable into the designated hole in the base. 7. Connect the USB cable to the LED strip and test it to see if it works. 8. Assemble the sphere by inserting the scenes into the appropriate holes. For safety, glue them with super glue. 9. Insert the body of the sphere above the base, and then add the sky of the sphere on top. 10. Connect the cable to the power supply, and test if the sphere lights up. Finally, place the sphere where you want, light it and enjoy.